Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and talked about places in the United States, Area 51. Located in the Nevada desert, Area 51 has become famous worldwide for its secrecy, strange lights in the sky, and rumors about aliens. But what really happens there? Is it home to extraterrestrial life or just a place for government testing? Let's explore the mystery of Area 51 and see if it's aliens or just a myth. Area 51 is a highly classified U.S. military base. It was built in the 1950s during the Cold War to test secret military aircraft. The location was perfect, remote, surrounded by desert, and far from public view. The U.S. government did not even admit that Area 51 existed until 2013, which added fuel to the mystery and conspiracy theories. So where do the alien stories come from? In 1947, a mysterious object crashed near Roswell, New Mexico, and many believed it was a UFO, a flying saucer. The government said it was a weather balloon, but people weren't convinced. Later, when strange lights and flying objects were seen near Area 51, many assumed the military was hiding aliens and UFO technology there. Over the years, former workers and supposed witnesses have claimed to see alien spacecraft and even alien bodies inside Area 51. Movies, TV shows, and books have kept these stories alive, making Area 51 a part of pop culture. However, there's no real evidence that aliens have ever visited the base. Experts believe the lights in the sky were actually advanced aircraft being tested, like the U-2 spy plane or the stealth bomber. The secrecy was to protect national security, not to hide aliens. Still, because no one really knows everything that happens at Area 51, the mystery continues. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the history behind Area 51 and why it has become one of the most famous mysteries in America. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.